Click F11 for current room chart information. For KOT bill settlement, click on to billing. Select KOT. Enter the KOT number. As it is in room service, the table number is shown as room. Now select the room number by clicking F2 key. Once you enter the room number, details like number of packs, guest name, and mobile number automatically fills up. Now enter the item name, click F2 and select the item. The item code and rate fills up. The steward should not be empty, so click F2 and select the steward. Enter the quantity of the selected item. Click on to save option. KOT is saved successfully. You can print this KOT. Click on to billing and select billing. In the bill rising page, enter details like table number and room number. All the other details will automatically fill up. Click on to save option. The bill is saved successfully. You can print this bill. Click F7 and the bill settlement page opens up. Enter the table number. Enter the amount under the mode of payment. As it is in room service, enter under to room. Click on to save option. The settlement is saved successfully. Now click on to reports. Select sales report. Under that, select bill wise details. Check the from date and to date. Select view. The room service bill wise report is displayed. Click escape to exit the page. The room service KOT bill settlement has been done successfully. Thank you.